Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model another model in Blender. I will show you. Wait 1 second. This is a very easy model. Anyone can model this with. This is made with basic shapes. See this model. Let me zoom in. See, very basic shapes created with very basic shapes. This model is created very in. This model is created with a basic shapes. Very easy to model. I will texture this part. I will texture this part. Eyes also I will texture. So let's model this. Today I'm going to model this. Very easy model. Anyone can model this. This is the basic shape model. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our model created with basic shapes. This is our model. Very simple model. Anyone can model this type of model created with basic shapes. There is no difficult shape to model this guy. Very simple and cool looking character. Anyone can model this. So that's it, friend. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.